Hello friends, how if you talk about my day, well, my day was awesome. I'll tell you why. Today I had a webinar in the morning from 10 a.m. to 11:15, about which I posted on my page as well. It was attended by approximately 25 people. The topic of my discussion today was a 4-step magical formula to master your stage presence. I was so happy, and the webinar went on really well. And people were so curious. They asked me so many questions. And today I would like to share with you what I really felt happy about. And I believe it is the concern of all the trainers, speakers, coaches and consultants, entrepreneurs and professionals. Anybody who is working with a team needs to understand the answer to this particular question. Thank you Sapan Bakshi ji for sharing my video. So friends, the question was, how can we address an audience which is indifferent to us? जो कोई ऑडियंस हमें नहीं सुन रही है, सॉरी, जो हमारी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दे रही है इन स्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट कि हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, तो उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए ट्रेनर, स्पीकर, कोचेस एंड कंसल्टेंट्स को कि ऑडियंस उनकी तरफ ध्यान दे? वेल फ्रेंड्स, टाइप कीजिए कमेंट सेक्शन में और मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है, आप अगर उस ट्रेनर, स्पीकर, कोच, कंसल्टेंट की जगह होते तो आप क्या करते? टाइप इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड टेल मी कि आपको क्या लगता है कि आप क्या करते? वेल, मेरे पास तो आंसर्स डेफिनेटली हैं। मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ। आप लोगों में से जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, मेरा नाम अंजलि गुप्ता है। मैं एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हूँ और कोच हूँ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की। मैं हर रोज़ एपी पर लाइव आती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन दिस रेजोल्यूशन that I will be coming live on FB for all the 365 days in this year of 2020. So one reason of to do something different. Secondly, I wanted to answer your problems, your challenges that you face regarding public speaking. सो जो मेरे वीडियोस हैं, या तो वो मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस होते हैं या फिर मेरी आंसर्स होते हैं आपकी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की स्किल्स के लिए। सपन सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारी जो मैंने आपके साथ रीज़न शेयर किया इस समय कि मैं फेसबुक लाइव क्यों करती हूँ। वन रीज़न, एज आई सेड, इज़ I wanted to do something different. The second reason is that I wanted to give you the answers, whatever challenges you face related to public speaking. इसीलिए मैं वीडियोस आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ और बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स होती है इसमें। I would encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Facebook पर मैं आती हूँ रेगुलरली एंड यही वीडियो मेरा YouTube पर भी मैं इस वीडियो को मैं पोस्ट करती हूँ, तो आपको इनकरेज करती हूँ कि आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, हिट द बेल आइकन सो दैट आपको रेगुलर मेरे अपडेट्स मिलते रहे। तो फ्रेंड्स, वापस आते हैं वेबिनार पर कि जो वेबिनार है आज मैंने जो कंडक्ट किया, इट वाज सुपर डुपर सक्सेसफुल। बहुत सारे लोगों ने अटेंड किया एंड जो मेरा टॉपिक था वो था 4-step magical formula to master your stage presence. So one of the questions that one of the audience member asked me was how do we address? वेल फ्रेंड्स, टाइप कीजिए कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको क्या लगता है कि अपनी ऑडियंस जो हमें लगता है कि इंडिफरेंट है, उसे हमें कैसे टैकल करना चाहिए। वेल फ्रेंड्स, एक छोटी सी स्टोरी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ और ये एकदम ट्रू स्टोरी है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको इस स्टोरी में मिल जाएगा। फ्रेंड्स, एक बच्चा है and this student is in his class 12th. अभी तो खैर कॉलेज में आ गया है, एग्ज़ाम्स हो गए हैं, तो अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही वो वहाँ पर था। ही वॉज इन हिज क्लास 12 के एग्ज़ाम्स दे रहे थे और लेसन आया, और लेसन में वहाँ पे फादर इन लॉ लिखा हुआ था। तो ही वॉज सरप्राइज कि हु इज़ अ फादर इन लॉ, ही आस्क्ड मी। वेल, ये बच्चा थोड़ा सा रिलेशनशिप्स को इतना नहीं समझता है, तो इसने पूछा कि फादर इन लॉ कौन? तो उसकी मदर ने बोला, और ससुर कौन होते हैं? उनकी मदर ने बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स में अपने फादर इन लॉ वगैरह 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 करके समझाया, लेकिन 3 घंटे बीत गए, 4 घंटे बीत गए, उसको समझ में नहीं आया। सब लोग घर के उसे समझाने में लगे रहे। फाइनली, ध्यान से सुनिएगा मेरी बात, क्या हुआ? फाइनली उसकी मौसी आई और मौसी ने बोला, देखो सोनम कपूर है? बोले हाँ है। उसके फादर अनिल कपूर है? हाँ जी हैं। अब सोनम के हस्बैंड है? हाँ है। समझ में आया स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस, जैसे उसको समझाया? He understood. Fine, this is what it is. There is one Sonam Kapoor. She has a father, and then she has a husband also, right? So, what is Anil Kapoor to Sonam's husband? Father-in-law, right? That father-in-law is known in Hindi as Sasurji. And then, finally, this person, the student, could class. So friends, tell me, I'm sharing this with you, what do you think is the moral of this story? Whatever I'm talking about, what do you think? Whatever I am talking with you right now. Welcome Krishnamurti ji to my FB live session. Welcome Sanmeet for my FB live session. Parmesh Singh ji, welcome to my FB live session. Praveen Satpute ji, welcome to my FB live session. And Sapan Bakshi ji, welcome to my FB live session. So friends, type in the comment section and tell me, what do you think is the moral of the story, whatever I have shared with you? I'm waiting for your answers. Well friends, the moral of the story is that whenever you're talking to your audience, you have to understand their mental level. What is it that they like? What is it that they do not like? What is their peer group? What are the hobbies? What are the interest areas of the peer groups? Of them themselves? Unless and until you understand all of these, you would not be able to impact your audience whenever you are giving a speech on the stage or off the stage. So it has to come with the live examples which is of their level. And that is the time when your audience will no longer remain indifferent to you. So in audience, select the right kind of examples that will help you make friends with them, break the ice, and it will help you do a great job into teaching the students, into training your people. Find out those right examples. Yes, of course, there is one thing. You will have to put in a lot of effort to find the right examples. Sometimes we know the examples really well. There are some things that we have our experience. We can pick up those examples. But when you pick up those examples, make it a point that you identify, is this the right example for the kind of audience I'm going to talk to? For example, if there is an example that you are going to give in a corporate, now you cannot just pick up an example like this that I'm sharing with you and give it in the corporate, right? Likewise, you cannot pick up an example of a college student and give it to the people in the corporate. So you have got to understand what are the right kind of examples that you can give to that particular audience, which they are going to appreciate, like, enjoy, entertain, and they will put all their focus energy towards you, towards listening to you. So it needs a little more of hard work. So make it a point that you do this hard work well in advance, because at the last minute it really gets very difficult. You cannot think of stories, you cannot think of ideas at the last minute. So make it a point that you write down all the examples that you can give to a particular section of people well in advance, and this is going to save you a lot of time. Go back and refer to your notes, pick up a story from there and make your speech, or give that as an teachers, and this is the way it would be able to help you out. I hope I have been able to help you with my answers. In case you have any further questions, feel free to speak to me. Write down your questions in the comment section right now. Many of you have joined me right now. So let me just read out your names. Parmesh Singh ji, welcome to my FB Live session. Okay, KVS Madan ji, welcome to my FB Live session. Mohar Pratap Rana ji, welcome to my FB Live session. So friends, I have shared with you how is it that you should be handling your audience. If you feel they are indifferent, what is it that you can do at your end to ensure that you handle your audience well and they put all their focus and energies towards you. They should be keeping their cell phones in their pocket and focus towards you, because your speaking has to be really awesome, right? So when the words flow out of the mouth, and when the right kind of words flow out of your mouth, that is the time, my friends, you should feel that yes, you have nailed it. You have nailed your presentation, you have nailed your speech, you have nailed your trainings. Pankaj Khandelwal ji, welcome to my FB Live session. So friends, I have shared with you today as to how you should go about handling your audience. Friends, I would now like to take your leave. A very good night to all of you, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. The time would be 5 p.m. I'll see you tomorrow with my next session tomorrow on FB Live. Bye-bye. See you.